Assembly Spinning Athletic Advanced 150 PS. Unpack your product carefully. Reading the manual is essential for assembling the product. Position the rear foot securely. Repeat the process with the front part. Remove the screws from the handlebar support. Position it on the support and secure it with the screws and nuts removed previously. Insert the handlebar supportinto, the main frame, and place the handlebar height adjustment knob by the threading. Fit the seat supporto, the vertical support. Insert the washer and twist the seat adjustment handle. Insert the seat bracket into the main frame and fit the saddle height adjustment, nubby screwing it in. Fit the saddle to the vertical support and tighten the screw with the wrench indicated. Each pedal has an indication of which side is correct according to the label on the crank. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Fit the toe clip onto the pedal. Take the panel support. Remove the screw. And fit it to the handlebar frame with the linkage upwards. Screw it back on until it's secure. Open the cover on the back of the panel and insert the batteries. Attach the panel to the support and connect the sensor cables to the panel. Attach the cell phone holder to the handlebar frame. remove the protective plastic from the sensors. The assembly of your product is complete.